Hey everybody, Matt from A to Z Diecast here. Going to do a quick review and opening of the Johnny Lightning standard release of the 1982 Ford Mustang T-top Fox body. This one is the bright, bittersweet orange. Let's just call it what it is. It's orange. The dark pewter poly. And a white lightning of a bittersweet orange. So we're going to open them up, check them out, and look at the differences. So start out with this one. Pewter. And the white. Okay. So let's do this. Let's look here. So you've seen me do the 82. If this is the first one you're looking at, I did another video with the Toys R Us one and the other colors. So, and the hobby releases. So let's go back to it. Pewter gray, silver, whatever you want to call it, dark gray. It's there. It's hard to see on the camera. So we'll really do all the talking about the car with the orange. So, come on, focus. Great detail. Rims are not the rims because they're 5 lug. They are supposed to be 4. I do like this front. They did steal the styling for the T-Bird. The 80s T-Bird. Very similar front. Not the same, but very similar. 5.0 there on the side badge. 82 taillights. Probably one of the ugliest taillights. This one does say orange. So, giddy up. Didn't the green have that one? I forget. Check out my other video and tell me what it was. The white lightning is going to also say orange. So the bittersweet. It's got the gray interior. Very hard to see. But as I pointed out before, definitely wrong bottom on the casting. I haven't checked my other ones from Johnny Lightning. But it's only got one tailpipe. This V8 monster should have 2 exhaust pipes. Anyway, done bitching. It is T-type, T-tops. T-type's a Buick. T-tops, which are cool. With Johnny Lightnings, as you see, sometimes things just don't line up. Those front wheels spin very well. I'm sorry, the rear wheels. Something's messed up with the front. Probably got to bend the axle or something. But they do not move. So, yeah, not going to move down the track. This one does. The white does not. Orange. Neither one of them move. Anyway, here's the white lightning. Here's the regular, as you can tell. White rims, white interior. 2 characteristics of the white lightning. White. Johnny Lightning's been trying to be tricky and throw in some silver and chrome and other things, but this is 100% white lightning. As you can tell, there's the original. That's actually a pretty cool shot right there. There, and the white. 1982 Ford Mustang Fox body. Bittersweet, pewter, orange, gray. Here's the white lightning. That's the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave some comments, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Peace.